Hello YouTube and welcome to another 360 video by 360 Guys. Today we are on the southern shores of Lake Simcoe at Tyndale Beach Park in Barrie. Barrie is located in the central portion of southern Ontario, approximately 80 kilometers north of Toronto, about 300 kilometers southeast of Sudbury, and just a little over 400 kilometers west-southwest of Ottawa within the greater Golden Horseshoe subregion. It is additionally located approximately 38 kilometers southeast of the sought-after summertime destination Wasaga Beach, and just a little over 110 kilometers south of Muskoka District Municipality and Cottage Country, accessible via highways 26, 400, and 11. This park is located on the south end of Kempenveld Bay, on Simcoe Lake. Now, a little about Simcoe Lake. It is a lake in southern Ontario, Canada, the fourth largest lake wholly in the province. At the time of the first European contact in the 17th century, the lake was called Ouentoronk, which means beautiful water, by the Huron people. It was also known as Lake Taranto until it was renamed by John Simcoe, the first lieutenant governor of the Upper Canada region, in memory of his father, Captain John Simcoe of the Royal Navy. Lake Simcoe contains a large island, Georgina, which along with Snake Island and Fox Island forms the reserve of the Chippewas of Georgina Island First Nation. The lake is dotted with several smaller islands, including Thora Island, which is a cottage destination, Strawberry Island, Snake Island, Helmer's Island, and Fox Island. At Tyndale Park, you'll find ample parking, areas for picnicking, and a great playground for the kids. Tyndale Park may not be as big and flashy as Centennial Park in Barrie, however its beach and playground are great. There are washrooms and barbecue facilities as well, and on the weekends during the summer, where Centennial is packed with people, you can go to Tyndale and enjoy yourselves. The park is right beside the beach area. No matter where you are on the beach, you have a great view to watch the children swim. There's a large picnic and grass area as well as beach volleyball area. Grab your kids, have a family barbecue or celebrate a birthday party. This spot does not disappoint. We hope you enjoyed the tour. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you find yourself in our video, make sure to comment below. We're giving out prizes. Alternatively, if you are in the video and do not wish to be shown, we will gladly blur you out. Just let us know in the comments, and of course, timestamp will definitely help. Remember that these videos are best viewed by VR headsets, and if you don't have one, click on our affiliate link in the description. It will help our channel. Make sure to check out our channel regularly, as we will be posting at least one new video every week. There's more where that came from.